Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Tuesday. It's a mostly clear start to the day over the western parts of South Africa, except for patchy fog along the south coast, the eastern parts with low cloud and fog that moved in overnight, and we're expecting fog initially for the Northern Cape coastline as well. Other than that, partly cloudy weather for the eastern parts today. Thunderstorms become quite likely against the eastern escarpment and over the interior of KwaZulu-Natal, but it's a dry forecast for the western parts until this evening when a front moves in from the south, and this could result in some light evening rain for the Cape Peninsula and the Overberg area as well. Isolated thunderstorms over the Free State, northwest and the eastern parts of the Northern Cape today, southern Limpopo and the Highveld of Mpumalanga with a 40% chance as well. Thunderstorms could drift towards the Lowveld later on, and we're expecting thunder showers over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. That's where the South African Weather Service has a watch for severe thunderstorms with a possibility of large hail and damaging winds, mainly over the eastern high-lying areas of the province. Now let's take a quick look at the temperatures for today. It's going to be warm once again over the northern parts, 28 degrees in Polokwane, Tabazimbi at a high of 33, Pretoria at 29, cooler on the Highveld in Mpumalanga with 24 degrees in Ermelo. A hot day in the Free State, 32 degrees for Welkom and Bloemfontein, slightly cooler over the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape, 26 in Mthatha and Bishu, and for the coastal areas we're expecting onshore winds, low cloud around the vicinity of Port St John's in East London, a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters and winds moderate to fresh at times. The southern interior remains sunny and hot, 30 degrees for Oudtshoorn today, but for the southern coastal areas, morning fog is likely, a southwesterly swell of 1.5 meters, together with very light onshore winds. Slightly stronger winds further west around the Overberg coastline, and over the western interior, we're expecting a sunny, hot afternoon, possibly thunderstorms in the vicinity of Kimberley, but for the western coastal areas, apart from fog initially in Alexander Bay, a mostly clear and breezy day. A southwesterly swell of 1.5 meters, in Cape Town, partly cloudy weather with the rain only towards the late evening. By Wednesday, we're expecting rain to have cleared over the western parts, moving to the south and southeast coast, and thunderstorms will be likely on the Highveld and over the central parts once again. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your Tuesday.